Civil servants are important public servants who work for the government in various capacities. They are responsible for carrying out the policies and programs of the government and ensuring that public services are delivered efficiently and effectively. But what qualities make a good civil servant? Firstly, a good civil servant should have excellent communication skills. They must be able to communicate clearly and effectively with the public, colleagues, and superiors. Secondly, a good civil servant should be a team player. They should be able to work collaboratively with their colleagues to achieve common goals. Thirdly, a good civil servant should have a high level of emotional intelligence. They should be able to manage their emotions and communicate with people in a respectful and professional manner, even in challenging situations. Fourthly, a good civil servant should be organized and detail-oriented. They should be able to manage multiple tasks and prioritize their work effectively to ensure that they meet deadlines and achieve their objectives. Fifthly, a good civil servant should have excellent problem-solving skills. They should be able to analyze problems, identify potential solutions, and implement the most effective course of action. Sixthly, a good civil servant should be able to communicate complex information in a clear and concise manner. They should be able to present information in a way that is easily understandable to the public and other stakeholders. These are just a few of the qualities that make a good civil servant. Whether they are working in healthcare, education, or any other public service, a good civil servant should always strive to uphold these qualities in their work. The qualities of a civil servant, a guide to public service excellence.